In today's video, we talk about how to become a Melbet agent. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. Find the agent registration page. Look for a link or section dedicated to becoming an agent. This is often found in the website footer or in the site's menu under Partners or Affiliates. Sign up. Fill out the registration form to apply as an agent. You will likely need to provide personal information such as your name, contact details, and possibly your business informa. Submit your application. After completing the registration and agreeing to the terms, submit your application. Some platforms may require you to wait for approval. If you need any assistance, it's a good idea to contact Melbet support or their affiliate program team for detailed guidance specific to your region or platform. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.